Had to cut a thread for 14 threads per inch, and this Halfco Metal Master was a AL960B. Didn't come with a full set of change gears, spur gears. It came with a couple of spare, but certainly not the one needed to do 14 threads per inch. And so I've been reading a bit, and you can 3D print them apparently. And so I tried just this little test 2mm one. Fits on there great, meshes great, and I was able to just start cutting a little thread even with this little 2mm one, and it held up fine. So I'm printing a 10mm spur gear at the moment. Just use this website online. What is it called? stlgears.com. Punch in your information, and the download gear button gives you an STL file. Load that into your favorite 3D printer slicing software, and yeah, gear's just about done. So it's 3D printing. You can see it down in there. So I should be able to finish cutting this gear. Of course, you can order spur gears on the interwebs from your local company with a pilot bore. Then you have to, bore it out and get the keyway slotted in there, which is all just time. So given the low torque requirement, people have reported they've been using PLA printed gears for like a year or more, cutting threads with PLA gears. And so, I guess it's because there's a lead screw, axis lead screw, and, driving your carriage, these things are not going to take a lot of torque to do that. So pretty happy. Solved my problem, and I know now anytime I need to cut a strange thing and I don't have the gear, I just use that website and 3D print them.